So something arrived in the mail today with no shipping label. What could this be? Ooh. Oh, the Insta360 Go2. Small but think big. All right. Let's see what's inside. Of course, it's magnetic. A quick comparison. Okay, this is the original Insta360 Go. It came out in 2019 and records 4K. The case is also a charger and connects directly with an iPhone. Now, compared to the Go2 charger case, the Go2 is bigger and a bit heavier. Like a few grams makes a huge difference. But yeah, it's a bit bigger. The Go2 case has a Type-C connector and a 3/4 thread, while the original Go case, aside from the Lightning connector, has a USB-B micro connector. Big difference, of course, is the Go2 charger case is also a remote controller and a tripod. Press 1. Recording. Cool, alright. Okay, so the video on the left is from the original Go, while the one on the right is from the Go2. Again, apologies for the blurred main shot. Now, for a quick comparison, the Go2 is a bit bigger and a few grams heavier. But hey, we are talking about grams here, so you can't tell the difference really. Now, while the Go2 can only record up to 2K versus 4K on the original Go, the recording time has significantly improved. From 5 minutes of continuous recording for the original, the Go2 can now record up to 30 minutes on 2K HD. And from an 8 gig internal memory, Go2 now has 32 gigs. Now that's a big improvement. And aside from the charger case and the tiny camera, the accessories were also improved from the original. So there you go. Now can't wait to go out and test the Go2.